there, sing chord with us. Voice is best musical instrument. Everybody have it. You don't need to buy it. Hi, me Bentley and Ferrari. We practice sing chord for memorizing sounds of three magic chords. These are C chord, F chord, and G chord. I sing musical note A, B, C, and Ferrari sings meow, meow, meow. He imitates like cat
Meow, meow,
voice.
meow.
You can sing
Meow, meow.
meow, meow, meow. We sing broken chord. Let's sing C chord, C, G.
Meow, 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 meow.
Sing F chord, C, F, A.
Meow, 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 meow.
Sing G chord, B, G, G.
Meow, meow,